Google has officially unveiled the Pixel 9a, a smartphone that brings major design changes, a massive battery upgrade, and flagship AI features, all for an unbeatable $499 price tag. As a follow-up to last year's Pixel 8a, which earned a CNET Editor's Choice Award, the Pixel 9a is set to compete directly with Apple's $599 iPhone 16e, proving that Google still dominates the affordable smartphone space. The biggest design change? Google has ditched the iconic camera bar, opting for a flatter back with a subtle camera bump, a choice that improves durability but makes the phone look less like a Pixel. However, under the hood, this phone is as Pixel as ever, featuring Google's Tensor G4 chip, a 6.3-inch display with 2,700 nits brightness, a 48MP main camera with macro focus, and a massive 5,100 mAh battery, the largest ever in a Pixel A device. Notably, Google has kept the price at $499, making it an even more compelling option for budget-conscious buyers, especially as global prices continue to rise. The Pixel 9a will officially go on sale on April 10th, available in obsidian, porcelain, peony, and iris. It's built with 81% recycled plastic, has an IP68 water resistance rating, and comes with 7 years of Android updates, just like the flagship Pixel 9 series. AI features like Magic Editor and Night Sight and AdMe make the Pixel 9a an excellent photography device, even with its 48MP sensor being slightly lower than the 64MP Pixel 8a camera. While Google did not include satellite SOS connectivity, the Pixel 9a still delivers an impressive package with Tensor-powered AI, a premium display, and Google's signature software experience. It may not have flagship specs, but in the affordable phone market, this might be the best deal of 2025. Are you planning to grab one? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to TechVerse for the latest smartphone leaks, reviews, and tech news.